In order to solve this, the first thing to do is we can say that recall that a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of m times n. Okay, now from here we now have 3 raised to the power m can be written as 3 raised to the power m multiplied by 2 over 2. 2 over 2 is 1, okay, minus 2 raised to the power m multiplied by 2 over 2 is equal to 65. Moving on, we can now say that 3 raised to the power m over 2 multiplied by 2 minus 2 raised to the power m over 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 65. Furthermore, we can now say that 3 raised to the power m over 2 all raised to the power 2 minus 2 raised to the power m over 2 all raised to the power 2 is equal to 65. Moving on, we now have this is something squared minus something squared. We can now assume that this is equal to y, this is equal to x, and what we have is that y squared minus x squared is equal to 65. This is difference of two squares, so which means we can say y minus x multiplied by y plus x is equal to 65. What are the factors of 65 or multiples of 65? The multiples of 65 are 65 times 1 and 13 times 5. If these are really integers, it means that the sum will be greater than the minus. So y plus x should be greater than y minus x. Hence, we are going to have that y plus x is equal to 13 and y minus x is equal to 5 for the first condition. Okay, let's solve this. From here, we can add these two equations up. X plus minus x is 0, y plus y is 2y is equal to 13 plus 5 is 18, hence y is equal to 9. Okay, if you substitute y as 9 in this equation, we have 9 minus x is 5, hence x is equal to 4. Okay, now, but recall 3 to the power of m over 2 is equal to y, hence 3 to the power m over 2 will be equal to 9. 3 to the power m over 2 is equal to 3 squared. M over 2 is equal to 2. M is equal to 4. Similarly, 2 to the power m over 2 is equal to x, which is equal to 4. 2 to the power m over 2 is equal to 2. 2 squared rather. M over 2 is equal to 2. M is equal to 4. Okay. Now let's test for our second options, where we had that y plus x will be equal to 65 and y minus x is equal to 1. Adding up these two equations, we have that y will be equal to 66, okay, and now x will be equal to 66 minus 1 is 65. Okay, now we can say that 3 raised to the power y, m over 2 is y, and 3 raised to the power m over 2 will be equal to 66. We will not express this in a form where 66 is a perfect square, hence this is null and void. So our only option is that m is equal to 4.